Hey guys, welcome to the next part of the video. So let's get started. Number 23. Display file path and workbook name. To include the full file in your worksheet, you just need to use this formula. Equals cells, open parenthesis, double quote, and in fact, we'll just double click on file name, comma, A1, close parenthesis, enter, and you'll see it's produced the full file path, and in the square brackets it has the workbook name, and then after the square brackets it has the sheet name. Now you can also include just the work name if you have Excel 365 with a simple formula, which is equals text after open parenthesis, text before open parenthesis, cell open parenthesis, double quotes, file name, close parenthesis, comma, double quotes, close square brackets, double quotes, close parenthesis, comma, double quotes, open square bracket, double quotes, close parenthesis, enter. And that provides you with the workbook name. You can also do this in older version of Excel, but it's going to take too long for me to explain what this means. So I'll give a shout out to Dave Browns of ExcelJet. His excellent formula tutorials include one explaining this. So you can go to exceljet.net/formulas/get workbook name only. Thanks, Dave. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Stay connected with us to watch more videos like this. Have a great day.